In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create Sudoku puzzle books, and make money selling them on Amazon KDP. I will not only show you how to create unique Sudoku puzzle books for free, but also where to download ready-made Sudoku puzzle book interiors if you don't want to do it yourself. At the end of this video, I have a special freebie for you, so keep watching to the end. But before we get to the real work, let's take a look at how much money a simple Sudoku puzzle book can earn for the creator. Let's go to Amazon and do a simple search for Sudoku puzzle book for adults. There are more than 50,000 books available, so there's a lot of competition here. My advice is to add your book in a smaller niche, so it will have a better chance to pop up on the first pages where buyers can find it. You can do this by making a Sudoku book for a specific niche with less competition. I will make a video on how to sell more books on Amazon in the future, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell to find out first when I post a new video. Okay, let's find a Sudoku book and give it a closer look and see how much the author makes. Here's a hard Sudoku puzzle book, with a simple book cover. It has 130 pages, contains 300 Sudoku puzzles, and is created in the popular 8.5 by 11 inches format. Let's check out the BSR, or best seller rank, and calculate how many copies this book sells every month. We can use the free BSR calculator tool at TCK Publishing. The BSR rank is 12,861, and it's a book, not an ebook. If we click the Calculate Sales button, the total monthly sales for this book is 303. That's 20 copies per day. Now, this Sudoku book sells at $7.49, so if we multiply 7.49 by 303, that comes down to $2,269 book sales per month. Now, assuming that the publisher of this book gets $2 per copy, he or she earns $606 per month from this simple puzzle book. And they probably have more Sudoku books for sale. Let's visit the bookstore page and check out the published books. You can see that there are many Sudoku books for sale, in different niches and various player levels, and they all sell well, looking at their reviews and BSR ranking. This puzzle book publisher is a winner. He or she makes thousands of dollars every month on autopilot, and all without doing any work, because Amazon does everything. They print the book, ship it to the buyer, and take care of customer service. As a puzzle book publisher, you just create and upload your books to Amazon, sit back and watch the money roll in every month. Now, I'm going to show you how you can also become a Sudoku puzzle book seller on Amazon, and demonstrate how to create a Sudoku puzzle book. Let's start with the free method, using a website called OpenSky Sudoku Generator. It's a complicated URL, but I will drop the link in the description box below this video. This online generator produces classic Sudoku puzzles that you can commercially use, so they are fine to sell on Amazon KDP. Let's create 20 puzzles for now, and then we want one puzzle per page, with the easy difficulty. If you want to add the solutions for the puzzles, which I always do, don't forget to click this little checkbox. Click the Go button, and your Sudoku puzzle book will pop up in a second, print ready in PDF format. We have 23 pages, with one Sudoku per page, and the solutions in smaller print in the back. But there's one problem. At the bottom of the page, there is a link to the free Sudoku generator website. If you are using this puzzle for personal use, there's no problem and you can print it out. But if you are going to sell this book on Amazon, you must remove the link, because it will look very unprofessional if you want to sell this PDF. So, how do you get the Sudoku puzzles in one puzzle book? Well, we will take screenshots of the pages, and use the images to create our book. If you have a Windows computer, it's simple. You already have a free screenshot tool on your system called the snipping tool. On a Mac computer, you can capture a portion of your screen by pressing and holding three keys together, Shift, Command and 4. Drag the crosshair to select the area to capture, and hold the space bar while dragging. To take the screenshot, release the mouse or trackpad, and the file will save to your hard disk. Here's how it works with a Windows PC. Open the program, create a new snippet and make a selection around the puzzles. Leave out the website link below the images, save the image to your hard disk and name it Puzzle 1. This is important, as you want to add the puzzles in your PDF file in the correct order later on. Repeat the process for all the other images, including the puzzle solutions. Okay, when you have copied all the Sudoku puzzles and solution images, head over to the Canva website where we are going to make our Sudoku puzzle book. You don't need a paid account at Canva to do this. The free membership will do fine. First, we create a new document in 8.5 by 11 inches. This is the most popular format for puzzle books as they will leave enough space to add your Sudoku images. Before you start adding all your Sudoku images, copy this first page until you have enough pages for all your images. For this example, we have 20 Sudoku puzzles, plus 3 pages with solutions, so 23 pages will do fine. If you want to insert more Sudokus, you need to copy more pages. But remember that with the free version of Canva you can only make books with 100 pages maximum. To upload your Sudoku images, click the Upload button, go to the directory where your images are stored and select all the files you need. Once done, click on the first image and it will be added to your page. Align the Sudoku image, and keep enough space from the edges for the bleed that will be added when printing your book. It's a good idea to activate the rulers, to help you align the images. Go to the next page, and repeat the process until you have inserted all your images on the pages. Now, all there's left to do is download the PDF file as a PDF print, and it will be added to your hard drive. If you have a lot of images, this process will take some time, but hey, it's the best way that I know to make a free Sudoku puzzle book. Another way to make Sudokus is with an online tool called Puzzlewiz. Puzzlewiz is a part of the Book Bolt website. I have a paid account with Puzzlewiz, where I create Sudokus, mazes, word search puzzles, cryptograms, Kakuro puzzles, dot-to-dot books, and much more stuff. The price for a Book Bolt membership is $19 per month, and Puzzlewiz is a free part of the site, so if you are interested in creating unlimited amounts of Sudoku and other puzzle books, this is a great place to start. I have a special discount link and code for you in the description box below, if you want to join the site. If you plan on creating and selling puzzle books on Amazon, you will soon make your small investment back. I'm not going to show you the whole Sudoku creation process, as I don't want to make this video too long, but you can make a Sudoku puzzle book fast by selecting a few options, and when you hit the submit button, a KDP ready to upload PDF file will pop up. You only need to make a nice book cover, and upload this file to your Amazon KDP account. The Puzzlewiz book files are print ready, and you can make as many Sudoku or other activity books as you wish. Use the link in the description for your discount link. Another easier way to make Sudoku books is to buy individual Sudoku puzzles with solutions. Creative Fabrica is one of my favorite websites to find incredible interiors. It's the secret weapon of many successful Amazon KDP sellers. There are coloring pages for kids, puzzle and activity book interiors like dot-to-dot pages, dot marker books and tons of fonts, graphics and illustrations to make amazing interiors. All these files come with commercial rights, so they are safe to modify. I like to combine different interiors to create new books, but if you are just starting out, you can simply download and submit the interior files as they are to Amazon. You can buy products one by one, but if you sign up for a paid membership, for $19 per month, you get full access to all the files on this site, and access unlimited fonts, graphics, and interiors. Even if you don't want to become a paid member, I would recommend you to sign up for a free account because they are giving away free files every day. Click the Daily Gifts button to see what's available. I will drop my special discount sign-up link in the description box below. Fiverr is another good site to find Sudoku puzzles. Here's a gig offering 1,000 Sudokus for only $5. These Sudokus puzzles come with the solutions, and can be inserted in Word, Google Sheets, Docs, PowerPoint, Canva, or printed on your home printer. If you order on Fiverr, always check if the images include commercial rights, so you won't get in trouble with Amazon. This gig is safe, so you can use all the files in your KDP books. I will leave links to all the websites in this video below in case you want to read more details about the different products. Gumroad is another fine website for quality KDP interiors. I have a set of ready-made Sudoku puzzles books in PDF, ready to upload to Amazon KDP, on my Gumroad store. Each book has 200 Sudokus inside, including the solutions, in 2 different levels, easy and hard. All you need to do is create a book cover and upload it with the Sudoku PDF file to Amazon. You are free to mix several files into one PDF book, so you can have a puzzle book with Sudokus for different players. Or why not merge a Sudoku book with another puzzle book like a mazes or word search puzzle book, and create activity books. I have a set of 10 maze puzzle books in my Gumroad store that you can use for this. These are print-ready PDF interior files for Amazon KDP publishing, and you only need to make the book cover. I have a video on my channel on how to make a book cover for free in Canva. Check it out if you need to see how it's done. There are plenty of free websites where you can merge PDF files. A good one is called ilovepdf.com. I use this site to merge different PDF files together and make unique interiors. Activity books are hot sellers on Amazon, and kids love using them, so you may create some by mixing different interiors. Okay, that's it for today. You can now make as many Sudoku puzzle books as you wish and sell them on Amazon. I hope you liked this information. If you did, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel for more money-making videos, and hit the notification bell to be the first to hear when I post a new video. If you would like to see a video on a specific topic that you are interested in, please let me know in the comment section. I love making videos for you, and if I can help you, or make you happy with something that I know a lot about, it would be my pleasure to do so. As promised, I have a free gift waiting for you. It's a set of 50 Sudoku puzzles with their solutions. You can use them to make a Sudoku puzzle book, and sell it on Amazon. Use the download link in the description box below to get your freebie. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and good luck with your KDP business. Have a great day.